This time of year, the parties seem to come one after the other, and we all want to have that perfect, easy treat to bring to a party, or serve at our own. And we don't want it to be like everybody else's. Well, a lot of people might bring brownies, but not like these. What we do is we melt and stir on a low heat in a saucepan 4 squares of unsweetened chocolate with 3/4 of a cup of butter or margarine, and when it's completely melted, we stir in 2 cups of sugar, 3 beaten eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And when that's mixed through, we stir in a cup each of flour and chopped peanuts. Now that goes into a 9 by 13 baking dish, and we give it 30 to 35 minutes in a 350 oven. Don't overcook it. Then we take it out and we let it cool, because when it's cool is when we spread on our second layer, which is a cup of peanut butter mixed with a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. Now, over that, we put the final glaze, which is simply 4 squares of semi-sweet chocolate melted with 1/4 cup of butter or margarine. And yes, you can do all of your melting in the microwave too. Might even be easier. Now, when they're cool and we cut those 3 layers into squares, oh my, is that a treat. And if you'd like the recipe, you just send a self-addressed stamped envelope marked Layered Brownies to me, Mr. Food, right here at the station. And we'll get it back to you for being the party star, because you brought everybody's favorites in one simple brownie. And sure, they disappear, but what lingers on is the, ooh, it's so good.